is for after Christmas and Christmas of next year decorations. Of course, you already know what's inside. So what do we get? We got some tree candles. The LED kind. From Light4Fun. Candle clip tree lights. So, little idea that I stole from doing my other tree with flicker flames. So I figured I'd do something a little bit larger scale for the bigger tree. So in the box you get a set of 50 of these little LED tree candles, and each one's got a clip. So these things are 6 hours on, 18 hours off. Green light, timer is on. Is there a timer? Is there a light on here? I guess there is. What's it run at? Output, 24 volts. That's one of them annoying controllers where you plug it in when you want it on, and then it runs for 6 hours, and then it turns off for 18, and then it turns back on for your next 6 hour run. So kind of annoying. So probably won't be using that. I'll probably have to adapt something to run for my particular setup, which I do have a 24 volt little transformer. So not a big deal. Because it's direct current, so it's like, who cares? Destruction manual. Not really anything particular fancy in there. So it's just little tiny little itty bitty little clips and stuff like that. So my question is, do these little guys come out? Yes, they do. So it's actually a screw in, so that's cool. So it's got the traditional little LED in there. Which I might modify. So let's plug these in and see what they do. So I'll get my other one here. My steady on controller. Is this 24 volts? Yes, it is. So we'll make sure that the polarity is correct. And it is. So we don't need that silly thing. Nice. Actually quite nice for a steady burn. So that's pretty cool. So what's the so you get about what between each one? So this thing is from there to there. So 10, about 9 inches, I think. "11-inch spacings." So that's pretty good. You can really dense up a tree with these things. That's why I got 2. So I was reading the Amazon reviews for these things, and a lot of people would say, you know, they had good luck with them for about a season or so, and then they just started dimming out and dying and stuff like that. So don't know how these are going to react, but I do think I'm going to modify these, and it's going to be quite a bit of work to go through each one of these and change them out for a flicker LED. So these are, they look like 5 mil or 3 mil LEDs, and I think I'm going to change them out. See if I can get the bottom of one of these off. That'd be awesome. See if we can crack one open. They're brand new and I'm already destroying them. Love it. Oh yeah, they'll pop right apart. That's even easier for me. Sweet. So any special construction? Nope, not really. So that's awesome. So we'll probably be changing these. Maybe I'll do something interesting. Maybe like every other one, I'll make it into a flicker one. A flickering type candle. So I don't have to change them all. Because that's going to be a small chore in itself just to do, you know, 25%. You're going to have 2 sets, so that's 50. So I don't know if I have a flicker thing here or not. I used to have one hanging around here. But you've seen them LED flickering candles. They kind of pulsate in and out and all the other good stuff. So that's a working set. So I'll check the other set to make sure that works. This is the type of stuff you do after Christmas. You start brainstorming and you're like, what do I want to do for next year? So they all work. So that's pretty cool. Get rid of that silly timer thing. Got one under there. What are you doing under there? So that's pretty awesome. So stay tuned for future videos when I'm milling around with Christmas lights. So I got now until physically next prior to Thanksgiving to get this project accomplished, because right now it's December 28th, so you know I'm in no hurry to it's not a priority for me to get this done right away, because I got all year long to fiddle fairy with it. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the modification series. Stay tuned.